Everyone, my name is Erwin Raymond Sandana. I'm from grade 11 ABM2, and the topic I'm going to discuss is all about the Big Bang Theory and how the universe originated or how the universe started. So first, what is the Big Bang Theory? So the Big Bang Theory is how astronomers explain the way the universe began. It is the idea that the universe began as just a single point, then expanded and stretched to grow as large as it is right now, and it is still stretching. So the Big Bang is how the astronomers explain the way the universe began or started. So first, what is universe? Universe is consists of or composed of planets, stars, meters, and etc. It is the idea that the universe began, or it is the idea universe started with just a single point or with just an primordial atom that expanded and stretched to grow as large as it is right now, are also known as the oscillating theory, and it is still stretching. Just like rubber bands, we can stretch it as long as it is, but it came back. So now, the Big Bang event is a physical theory that describes how the universe expanded from an initial state of high density and temperature. So the Big Bang event is a realistic or physical theory that characterizes or describes how the universe expanded or expands from an initial state of high density and temperature. Various cosmological models of the Big Bang explain the evolution of the observable universe from the earliest known periods through its subsequent large-scale form. So now, what is this all about? Or why are we talking about this Big Bang theory and why or when it is started? So in 1927, an astronomer and a Belgian priest, or from Belgium, a priest named Georges Lemaître had a big idea about the Big Bang. He said that a very long time ago, the universe started as just a single point. He said the universe stretched and expanded to get as big as it is now, and that it could keep on stretching. So, 1927, according to a Belgian priest and an astronomer named Georges Lemaître or Georges Lemaître, he had a big idea about the universe began or when the universe began. According to him, a very long time ago, the universe started or began as just a single point, or it started with a primordial atom. He said the universe stretched and expanded to get as big as it is now. And according to him again, it continues and or it could keep on stretching. Now, there is a one person who believe on what he is saying. Though I'm not a believer about it, that's no who believe on what he says. So here are some more informations about it. Just 2 years later, an astronomer named Edwin Hubble noticed that other galaxies were moving away from us. And that's not all. The farthest galaxies were moving faster than the ones close to us. So, who is Edwin Hubble? Edwin Hubble is one of the persons who believe on George Lemaitre or George Lemire says. He noticed that the other galaxies were moving away from us or moving away from the Earth or universe. And that's not all. The farthest galaxies were moving faster than the ones close to us. So here is the origin of the universe. So our universe began a tremendous explosion known as the Big Bang Theory about 13.7 billion years ago on left side of street. Observations by NASA's or National Aeronautical Space Administration Cosmic Background Explorer and Wilkinson Anisotropy Microwave Probe revealed microwave light from this very early epoch, about 400,000 years after the Big Bang, providing strong evidence that our universe did blast into existence. Results from the Cosmic Background Explorer were honored with the 2006 Nobel Prize for Physics. So the universe that we live in began in a massive explosion called the Big Bang, or the Big Bang Theory, about 13.7 billion years ago. With the observations, according to the observations by NASA or National Aeronautical Space Administration's Cosmic Background Explorer and Wilkinson Anisotropy Microwave Probe. They revealed the microwave light from this very early epoch, about 400,000 years after the Big Bang, providing strong evidence that our universe did blast into existence. It came a results from the Cosmic Background Explorer that were honored with the 2006 Nobel Prize for Physics. So now, a period of darkness ensued until about a few hundred million years later when the first objects flooded the universe with light. This first light is believed to have been captured in data from NASA's or National Aeronautical Space Administration's Spitzer Space Telescope. The light detected by Spitzer would have been originated as visible and ultraviolet light, then stretched or then shifted to lower energy infrared wavelengths during its long voyage to reach us across expanding space. The light detected by the Cosmic Background Explorer and the Wilkinson Anisotropy Microwave Probe from our very young universe traveled farther to reach us and stretch to even lower energy microwave lengths or microwave wavelengths. So the first light is thought to have been captured in the data collected by National Aeronautics Space Administration or NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope. The light that Spitzer detected originally started as visible and ultraviolet light. However, as it traveled through space, which was expanding, the light underwent a change called redshift. So what is redshifting? It means that the light's wavelength was stretched out, making it shift from higher energy visible and ultraviolet wavelengths to lower energy infrared wavelengths. This stretching of the light's wavelengths happened because of the expanding space it had to traverse on its long journey to reach us. So the light was detected by the Cosmic Background Explorer and the Wilkinson Anisotropy Microwave Probe, also originated from the early universe. When it was very young, this light had to travel even farther to reach us. As it traveled through the expanding universe, it also underwent redshifting. In this case, the light shifted to even lower energy wavelengths, specifically to the microwave part of the electromagnetic spectrum. So what is our impact? Or finish before we finish this discussion, what was the impact on our understanding of the universe? So my understanding of the universe has been greatly impacted by scientific discoveries and advancements in various fields such as astronomy, physics, and cosmology. So astronomy tells us about the space, while physics about experiments or something, and cosmology about cosmos. Over time, our knowledge of the universe has expanded exponentially, leading to a deeper understanding of its origins, composition, and evolution. So, what was the one significant milestones of our understanding in the universe? So, one of the Significant milestones in our understanding of the universe is the development of the Big Bang Theory. This theory suggests that the universe originated from a hot and dense state approximately 13.8 billion years ago. It explains the expansion of the universe and the formation of galaxies, stars, and the other celestial objects. So, that's for all today. My name is Irving Wayne and Savannah from grade 11 ABN 2. Padayon, mabuhay, thank you, and God bless.